Okay, show me everything you got. What did Grandma send you?
This.
Show me what all Grandma got you.
This.
What do you like the best?
This.
What is it?
A game.
Grandma send you a game.
Yes.
What all did she send you?
This.
What's that?
Stickers.
Sophia stickers?
Yeah.
Wow, you like them?
The first. And princess stickers.
Aw, do you like princess stickers?
Yeah. It's fun.
Yeah. Did you look at your card that Grandma sent you?
Yeah.
You did? Okay, open your card. Need some help? What'd she send you? A pumpkin?
More stickers.
Aww. That's from Grandma and Papa.
Horse stickers.
Do you like them?
Huh?
All right. Tell Grandma thank you.
Thank you.
Tell Papa thank you.
Thank you.
Say I'll see you later.